we have finally arrived at the roof of the world. Skardu, we flew in on this little plane, which is actually quite a big plane, but these mountains are huge. And it was pretty cool flying around the Karakoram, Hindu Kush and Himalaya mountain range, which are three of the biggest mountain ranges on Earth. About 14 8,000 meter peaks in the world, and we just went past 5 of them, which is pretty epic. So this is where we wanted to be. Stoked. Arrived in Skardu. We have put all of our bikes together, had maybe 1 or 2 bent rotors. Rosie's was a little bit bent, but other than that the bikes are in good shape, and we've made some tail pads, and now we are on the mission. Bikes are in the back. It's pretty late in the day, but we'll see what we can find. It'd be a real good warm up, not too steep for our first time trying to like ride around here, because there's a lot of sandy stuff and there's a lot of super chunky rocky stuff, and yeah, quite different riding. While the others are just turning around the trucks, we've kind of made it to the limit. I'm just heading on up to this ridge line up here so I can see over the other side, because we're either going to go that way or that way. There's some cool little huts over there, and then up maybe into that gully a little bit, but we'll see. Watch this space. But there's a little village over there that could be cool to get in behind, or we just head that way. But the crew's unloading their bikes. They're just down there. I'm sucking at air. Jeff's already on his bike. But there's a little village over there that could be cool to get in behind, or we just head that way. But the crew's unloading their bikes. Carry on down. Here's that hut. Sick. Wow, I wonder how old this is. I'm sitting on top of a roof right now.
There's a toilet, bro.
Is it a toilet?
Must be, yeah. Gotta be.
We just wanted to come to the hut. Found a toilet. Okay, I could ride this with a bit of speed.
Can you?
It's a roll, but it's got a real sharp landing. That way there looks pretty good too. But I'm gonna go that way of the ridge, because the ridge is just fucking rocks. From this little bit, yeah, I'm gonna go right. Yeah. Oop. Whoa! The front wants to bury so hard. Sick. It's got to be real loose, eh? Right. Gives her one of those. Yeah, and go left where you can. See that track down there? Down here. Nice to meet you. Yeah, Mike, I think down through there. Land. Right. Oh, there's Jeff. Okay, follow me.
Following.
Oh, a goat.
Are you coming?
Yeah. Down through here. Hello.
Can we
come through there?
I think it's okay. Hello, sir. Can we go here? No, no. Okay.
Oh, around.
Can we just go below his house first?
Yeah. See the fire? Making hot water or cooking something.
It's pretty fun.
What a cool way to irrigate. Either that way or this way.
What do you think?
This way? Yep. Cool.
Plastic stool.
Like hard left?
Hard right.
Okay.
You're right in that drain.
In the drain? Well, that was an epic day. Awesome to be here in Skardu. So much to explore here. There's a lot of gnarly stuff though, which was an original concern. But we've still got a pretty good plan for what's in store. So yeah, make sure if you haven't already, subscribe. Click those notifications because we've got some cool stuff coming up. Maybe a 60k, more of an adventure ride. Big descent down a valley. Ridges look pretty gnarly, so we're gonna go see what some valleys are like. All right, see you then.